The excavators are doing some work up at the flat spot. They go through a fair bit of fuel, so today I'm gonna go get them some more. I'll show you how I do that. Currently the loader has the bucket on it, which isn't gonna do me much good. So I've gotta run down the trail and go get the fork so I can pick up the fuel tank. We'll be leaving the bucket on this wide spot in the road, so it's not in anybody's way. And here's the fork attachment. This is how I hook onto it. It's a little bit finicky with one hand trying to record the whole time, but I got it on. And now I'll head back up to the flat spot to grab that empty fuel tank. So not to bore you, I skip down until I get to the fuel refill station. And this is how I fill this smaller tank. Now that I've finished filling this tank, I can head back up to the flat spot. After my long drive up, I finally made it. I'll drop it here so they can use it when they need it. Since I'm heading down anyway, and there's a couple cedar boards in this pile that I'm gonna need for a later project, I might as well grab them. Good thing we've got this heavy equipment here. I'm not sure there'd be any other way to transport a load quite this size.